Long ago, when Thomas Edison invented the light bulb, did he ever think there would be such thing as a smart light bulb? Well, those original light bulbs were smart because they were a great idea, but not as smart as these Merkury smart LED bulbs that are from Walmart for the low price of $19.98. And comparing them to others on Amazon, which also retail for $19.98, link in the description, I think that these could be a good buy for you techies out there who want to spice up your home decor with some sick lights. Let's take a look inside. Now, if you've been following the channel for a long period of time, or maybe a not very long period of time, you know that our biggest video to date is actually the Merkury LED light strips from Walmart. In today's video on these light bulbs, I will be going over what I think of them, as well as showing you how to set them up. So stick around for that if you're having issues with getting these things set up, because that was an issue with the LED light strips. These were only $19.98, and they will save me up to $177 over the lifetime of the bulb versus incandescent. That means this pays for itself, and you can justify it to your significant other about why you have to purchase these LED light bulbs. They are 75 watts with the estimated energy cost per year of $1.32. They integrate with the app, and they are compatible with the Google Assistant, Alexa, why did I say that wrong? Alexa, Microsoft Cortana, and other things. Simple setup, right? We'll see if that's the case. We actually pop into the box. There is one piece of tape already opened, which kind of makes me mad at them for that. Moving on, pop into the box, open her up. First thing that I see, a start guide, which I should probably read because last time that was a challenge for us. Take a look inside here. What does it say? Start guide, download, and register. Oh, it tells you how to screw it into the socket. Easy mode. Well, this doesn't actually seem that helpful. We are happy when you're happy. Share your experiences at walmart.com. Maybe. Last but not least, there are 2 light bulbs. And I will not break these. Do these seem easy to break? Not really. They're kind of heavier than a regular light bulb, if you're wondering. The actual weight, I don't know, couple ounces here. Have the Merkury branding on top, but seem like a pretty good build. I don't know how sturdy a light bulb has to be depending on where you're using it. That could be a different story. To plug my light bulb in or screw it into a socket, I have this chicken lamp. And what are you thinking, Dave? Why do you have a chicken lamp? No, I don't own any chickens. But we did have some discount studio lighting when we first started, and we still do. But this one just happens to not be in use. So I will take it and not plug it in right away because I don't want to shock myself. Take the light bulb, screw it in. Don't play with electricity, kids. And now I will head over here and not go too out of frame. Ooh, is it lighting up? Oh, it's blinking. Blinking. What does that mean? Strobe light. Download and register. Maybe this was a mistake. Wait. Oh, there's a QR code. I skipped that page. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to open up my phone. We're going to get screen record going. All right, we're going to open it up. Screen recording. Boom. App Store. We are now going to download this. Same app as the LED light strips before. The Genie app. 4.7 rating though, compared to most LED app controllers, that's pretty high. Most of them that I see, especially from companies that come overseas with their off-brand lights, which have their place and are valuable, do not have that good of a rating. So now I will open the Genie app. All right, so now that we are logged in, it's asking if I can use Bluetooth. Okay, allow while using the app, add device, smart lighting. Yes, it is flashing quickly. This is, put that in, connecting now. This is the part that took a really long time in our last video with this, so this could be a very significant improvement from the original process, and I'm quite satisfied with this at this point. There is, oh, wow, that's already done. Okay, so you can rename, so I could say this is like my room, done. Save, done. Okay, let's see if it works. Tap to switch on. It's already on. Ooh! Alright, so I'm messing with the brightness now, just like a dimmer switch. If you don't have a dimmer switch, this could be your dimmer switch. I can go over here and set the mood for reading. Or my cocktail hour. Some nice blinking. That just seems cheesy, like a really cheesy neon sign. I wonder what rave does. Color. Alright, okay. Brightness, yeah, we gotta crank that up. I wish it was more fluid. It's not exactly an instantaneous change. Do I? Oh. Oh, saturation was down low. Okay, that makes more sense. So you have to go and make sure your saturation is up, your brightness is up, and then you can... Okay, I lied. It is pretty instantaneous. We're just scrolling back and forth, back and forth. Turn that down. You can also put these lights on a schedule, so at a certain time of day it can power them on. So if you want to wake up for work in the morning and be woken up by your lights, you can do that. Good evening. There's smart scenes, automation, multiple devices with one tap. That's pretty neat. I quite enjoy that. So setting a scene is if you're leaving, you can set the scene as we're leaving and we want all the lights in the house shut off. Okay. Or if you want to make it look like someone's home when you're not there, you could change that into a scene as well so people don't try and break into your house. On the quick actions screen here though, you just press the power button and boom, you're off. Two of them together, they would show up as like room 1, room 2, and you can sync the devices through the application, which is actually very user-friendly now compared to when we used it with the LED strips. At the cost of $19.99 overall, I'd say I have no issues with this product as a whole. I think it's actually a pretty good deal now. As I said, the other ones on Amazon are the same cost, not as high of wattage, and probably not as user-friendly because Genie is Genie. Makes it sounding like I'm I don't know, talking to a genie in a bottle. But neither here nor there. The Genie app has obviously been refined, while maybe the app for the other lights that we showed in the beginning of the video from Amazon might not be that way. So head to your local Wally World and for $19.99 you can flash out your room with some sick lights. That's all I have for you today, folks. Don't forget to click that subscribe button if you haven't already. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers and we want to get there fast with your help. So if you enjoy our videos, please click that subscribe button as well as drop a like so more people can see our stuff. Comment below if you have something that you want us to review in the future. We are always looking for new product ideas. We'll catch you in the next one. As always, bird out.